Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Bioderma Lotion is probably one of the most sought-after skincare products on the market, and for good reason. Its gentle yet effective formula has garnered a loyal following among skincare enthusiasts and dermatologists alike, promising a refreshing cleanse and a soothing experience for all skin types. Whether you're battling dryness, sensitivity, or simply looking for a reliable daily toner, this iconic micellar water aims to deliver unparalleled purity and hydration, leaving your complexion feeling revitalized and balanced without any harshness or irritation. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. Discover the ultimate daily moisturizer designed for every skin type. It provides essential hydration without irritation. Formulated with ceramides, this cream helps to restore and strengthen your skin's natural barrier. Feel the difference as your skin becomes more resilient. Infused with niacinamide, it works to soothe and calm sensitive skin. Enjoy a more comfortable and balanced complexion. Experience a lightweight feel with our oil-free formula. It hydrates effectively without clogging pores, making it perfect for daily use. This moisturizer is completely fragrance-free, making it ideal for even the most sensitive skin. It's been dermatologist tested for your peace of mind. Make it a part of your daily routine for visibly healthier-looking skin. It's the perfect partner for achieving a radiant and nourished complexion. What we like. This moisturizer is formulated with ceramides and niacinamide to help repair the skin barrier. It's oil-free and fragrance-free, making it suitable for all skin types. If you have sensitive or acne-prone skin and are looking for a daily moisturizer that won't clog pores, this is a great choice. What people say. The lotion is very hydrating and leaves the skin feeling soft and smooth. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any greasy residue. The formula is gentle and suitable for sensitive skin types. Number 4. Embryolisse Lait-Crème Concentré Face Cream. Discover the legendary Lait-Crème Concentré from Embryolisse. This multi-purpose cream is a skincare essential for a reason. Enriched with shea butter and aloe vera, it deeply hydrates and nourishes your skin. Experience a supple and comfortable complexion. It creates a smooth canvas, making it the ideal primer for your makeup. Enjoy a flawless finish that lasts all day. Use it as a moisturizer, makeup primer, or even a mask. This versatile formula simplifies your beauty routine. Its gentle formula is suitable for all skin types, even sensitive ones. Achieve healthy-looking skin with every application. Embrace the timeless efficacy of this French skincare staple. Your skin will thank you for it. What we like. This iconic French face cream doubles as a makeup primer, thanks to its hydrating and smoothing properties. It's enriched with shea butter and aloe vera for intense moisture. If you're looking for a versatile product that preps your skin for makeup while providing nourishment, this is the one. What people say. It is a very good product for oily skin. It helps to control oil and makes the skin feel fresh. This lotion is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any greasy residue. It has a mild, pleasant scent and doesn't cause any irritation, even on sensitive skin. Number 3. Bioderma Atoderm Intensive Balm. Experience deep hydration with our intensive balm. It's specially formulated for dry to atopic sensitive skin, providing immediate relief. Our ultra-soothing formula effectively calms itching sensations. Feel comfortable in your skin again, all day long. This versatile moisturizer is perfect for both your face and body. Enjoy soft, nourished skin from head to toe. We've created a fragrance-free formula that's gentle on even the most sensitive skin. It's non-greasy and non-sticky for a comfortable feel. Suitable for the whole family, this balm provides essential care for everyone. Keep your loved one's skin healthy and protected. What we like. This intensive balm is specifically designed for very dry to atopic sensitive skin, offering an ultra-soothing anti-itching formula. It's suitable for both face and body and is non-greasy. If you suffer from persistent itching or extreme dryness, this balm provides much-needed relief and comfort. What people say. It is a gentle cleanser that removes makeup and impurities without stripping the skin. It leaves the skin feeling soft, hydrated, and refreshed. It is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Number 2. Nécessaire the Body Lotion Fragrance-Free. Discover a deeply hydrating body lotion designed for everyone. Its fragrance-free formula is perfect for even the most sensitive skin. Experience the firming power of multipeptides. This advanced formula works to visibly improve skin's texture and elasticity. Infused with 2.5% niacinamide, it helps to strengthen the skin barrier and reduce the appearance of pores. Enjoy a smoother, more refined complexion. Worry-free application is guaranteed. It's non-comedogenic and hypoallergenic, meaning it won't clog pores or cause irritation. Specially formulated for sensitive skin types. This lotion provides essential moisture without any harsh irritants. This generous 200 ml bottle ensures long-lasting comfort and hydration. Keep your skin feeling soft and supple day after day. What we like. This body lotion features a multipeptide formula combined with 2.5% niacinamide to help firm and hydrate the skin. It's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and hypoallergenic, making it ideal for sensitive skin. If you're looking to improve skin firmness and hydration with a gentle, effective formula, this lotion is an excellent option. What people say. It is a very good lotion for dry skin. This lotion is very moisturizing and leaves the skin feeling soft and smooth. It is also non-greasy and absorbs quickly into the skin. Number 1. Clean Skin Club Clean Towels XL. Discover the ultimate solution for your daily skincare routine. Our ultra-soft towels provide a gentle yet effective way to cleanse and refresh your skin. Feel good about what you use on your skin. These towels are made from 100% USDA bio-based materials, ensuring a natural and sustainable choice. Specially formulated for sensitive skin. They are accepted by the Eczema Association, offering peace of mind for those with delicate complexions. Say goodbye to stubborn makeup. These dry wipes effortlessly remove all traces of makeup, leaving your skin clean and clear. Experience unparalleled softness with every use. These convenient, disposable towelettes make your skincare routine simpler and more hygienic. Get everything you need in one convenient pack. Each package contains 50 count of these essential skincare towels. What we like. These XL face towels are made from 100% USDA bio-based materials and are accepted by the Eczema Association. They are ultra-soft and disposable, perfect for makeup removal or gentle cleansing. If you prioritize hygiene, have sensitive skin, or are looking for an eco-friendly alternative to reusable cloths, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. It is a very good product for oily skin and it does not leave any white cast. This lotion is very light and absorbs quickly into the skin, making it ideal for daily use. It helps to control oil production throughout the day and leaves the skin feeling matte. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.